The central bank has resolved to take a tougher stance on insider abuses within the banking sector and check the activities of directors. The CBN governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, made this known at an engagement on corporate governance practices today. Meanwhile, the head of Development Finance Institution, Dr. Lucy Soil Newman, wants such sanctions on corporate governance to be stiffer to protect depositors' funds.
Must remain independent and perform their roles and responsibilities, no matter how tough it is, to be able to look at insiders who are shareholders of those institutions and tell them what is true and what is not right. And yes, we are going to get tough because it's a dynamic environment, and we still see cases of insiders, some insider abuses, and the central bank is currently looking at a few, and we will continue to take drastic actions against those insiders.
I personally think some of the penalties are not expensive enough, because I am aware, I say we are middle people. We work with regulators and operators. I'm also aware that some operators actually look at the cost of the penalty and think about the cost of losing that business. And if the penalty is less, that penalty is put inside the business as cost of doing business. So if the penalty is harsh enough, then it will be punitive enough, and then there will be no incentive to even explore.